Hey guys, welcome back to Crafty Q. I'm going to show you how to make this very cute, very cheap and easy bling gold napkin holder. So let's get started. So first things that you need are napkin rings, which I purchased from the Dollar Tree. They come 6 in the pack for $1. You're going to need your gold bling. I actually got this from Michael's, but they do sell it at the Dollar Tree as well. Then you need a hot glue gun and a pair of scissors. So let's get started. So once you take and measure out your bling, for the one I used, it came out to be 6 rows across and then 24 rows long. And that made it so that came together like that. So you just take some hot glue, put it on there. Be very careful. I've already burnt myself a few times doing this, but the way they came out is well worth it. I'm actually throwing a Christmas party and everything is going to be red and gold. So the silver napkin rings really don't work out for what I'm trying to do. So easy thing to do is to make my own. And I actually have to make about 32 of these because we're having about 30, 31 guests. All right, so that you could use like a pair of scissors to actually like pat it down so you don't burn your fingers, but I'm kind of used to it. All right, so it's done. And now I'll show you the end result. There it is. I did the fan fold for the napkin, stuck the napkin in the ring, and then I'm going to have them laying on my place setting like this. And the chargers came from Dollar Tree for $1, and the napkins, I think I got these from Amazon, but some Dollar Trees actually do have fabric napkins, so you could possibly get those there as well. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you.